All right, fifth grade families, welcome. Thank you for coming. We have 2 songs that we wanted to share with you. We've done a lot of things this year, but we just wanted to share a couple of them with you, so thank you for being here. I'm going to turn this over to the students to announce.
Our first song is called Fufu Totona from the Awe culture of West Africa.
And it's worth noting that all of the students learned all of the ukulele parts, all the xylophone parts, all the vocal parts for both of these songs. So we had a couple people who weren't able to be here, and a couple students stepped in on the parts.
And now we will be playing the 59th Street Bridge song by Simon and Garfunkel.
root beer.